Today I'm going to be changing Bebe-Tab Touchpad in a shortcut that you might not know that exists. So first of all, take my flat, remove the back carefully so you don't get to cut the power flex. You gotta be careful in doing that. So once you are done removing the back cover, you might want to keep that very well because of the volume button. So now you carefully detach the camera from the clip and then the network flex. Careful doing that so you don't get to cut during the procedure. So next, you want to remove the earphone slot. You want to keep it very well because those are times they are very difficult to get in the market because they are China tab. So just tape it somehow. So with this method, you don't need to use the workstation. You just need to follow the procedure step by step. So after taking the screws out, then with the power flex, so you might want to pull down the screw a bit. Careful not to break it. Then you pull it out. You see, very simple. Look at it. No fingerprint on the screen. You want to make sure you keep it on a safe path. Then here, instead of using your workstation, just pick up a flat, make a punch, then place your flat, pull. Just very easy pattern of changing touchpad instead of stretching yourself with the workstation and all that stress. So you might want to replace the power button so you don't actually forget after fixing the phone. So this is a new touchpad. Want to be careful removing the nylon to check if the same if it fits. Yeah, that is exactly fit one. But I have so many of them. So then after this one, remove the tape. Add the tape gum. Use and hold the touchpad so you don't get a break. Then you apply some gum on the surface for a safer part so that it will be very glued to the screw. Even without this gum, you can actually still fix it. It doesn't matter, but for a perfect job, you just need to make use of it. Then nothing much. After applying the gum, use your hand and place the gum very well so that it won't be that yeah. Then careful, this is the most difficult part of it. And try slotting it carefully because there are some areas that if you don't slot very well, you end up breaking the screen. So careful with that. So I'm being very careful. So which it has been successfully slotted. Then we're gonna be fixing the screws. So after tightening the screw, so you might want to be fixing some of the clip. This one is always difficult to clip when you want to, but not that hard. I've done it. So pretty much. Then the mouthpiece, the vibrator, might want to fix them to their own position. Then the camera as well. They are simple as that. Then the network flex, then the power flex. Then another thing is the earphone slot. You might want to fix that one too. So you don't have to get a complaint after a night job like this. So this one is a bit cranky, it's taking much of my time. But we'll still fix it. Anyway, so It's really difficult. So we're through that. So the next thing you might want to do is to test the touchpad. If it's working, then you might want to drag some up the edges of the screen to know if it's functioning very well. So it's okay, it's perfect. Functionality is 100%. So you might want to cover. Then remember to place the power button, the outer one. Then after that, careful when you are clipping the screen, because if you are at times it becomes difficult. So once you apply much force, you might end up breaking the screen. Okay, so that is it. We are done. So just to fix the last screw, and we are done with it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.